This video presentation is brought to you by the Pro Mathematics Academy. Welcome back to another video presentation brought to you in part by the Pro Mathematics Academy. And of course, in this video, we'll be looking at circular measures, right, which relates to the measures for a circle, right? And this is still a part of our series on the circle, right, which is a prerequisite for our videos on circle theorems, right? So here we'll be talking about the area of a circle, right? And if you see here, I have for you the definition, which says that when we talk about the area of a circle, we're talking about the surface space covered by the circle, okay? So whenever we talk about the area of a circle in general, we're just talking about the surface, all right? So here, note that the formula for the area is given by A equals pi r squared, right? And a very important note to make here is that oftentimes pi, right, must be approximated using 3.14, right, or 22/7. So in our calculations, we will oftentimes specify that we can use 22/7 as an approximation for pi, okay? And also, this comes up a lot at all levels of mathematics, okay? So therefore, we want to make a note that this formula is very important, right? On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say that it's actually a 10, okay? So we want to remember this formula. So once somebody or your teacher asks you, what is the area of a circle? You should be able to say the area for a circle is given by pi r squared, right? Where r is the radius of the circle, okay? So that's very important. So all you need is simply the radius of the circle, right? And once you have the radius, you can find the value for the area, okay? So let's look at an example question here. It says, find the area of the circle that has a diameter of 10 cm, okay? Using 22/7 as an approximation for pi. So here, I'll say A is equal to pi r squared as per usual, but we do not know what is our radius, right? We have to figure out our radius. So here, diameter is equal to 10 cm. So if we know our diameter, then we know that our radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, which means here our radius is equal to 5 cm. So now we can go back to say, okay, pi times 5 squared is equal to our area, which equals pi times 5 squared, right? And since we're taking 22/7 as our value for pi, here I insert 22/7 times 25, right? I go over to my calculator and I plug this in, and my calculator gives me 550 divided by 7, which could be simplified as 78.57, right? Notice my units must be centimeters squared. Okay, do not forget that when you work out the area of a circle, it must come out in centimeters squared. That is it for this video. Please remember to hit the notification bell, like, share, and subscribe for future post notification.